Hi, I am Vimal Aswath. I am going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is continuity and differentiability. The problem is if y equal to log of square root of 1 plus sine square x divided by 1 minus sin x, then find dy by dx. Then find dy by dx. So here it is given y equal to log. So log of this one, it is power, therefore it is 1 by 2. So log of 1 plus sine square x divided by 1 minus sin x, the whole power 1 by 2. First we have to remove this power by using this log of m power n equal to n log m. So what you have to write? 1 by 2, there is power is in the place of power, you have 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 log of 1 plus sine square x divided by 1 minus sin x. Next you have to use this one, log m by n equal to log m minus log n. Therefore this equal to 1 by 2 log of 1 plus sine square x minus log of 1 minus sin x. Next here 1 by 2, next dy by dx. So dy by dx 1 by 2 log x equal to 1 by x. Therefore here it is 1 by 1 plus sine square x. So 1 by 1 plus sine square x. Next you have to differentiate sine square x. That is 2 sin x. Then differentiation of sin x is cos x. So this one over. Next here minus log of 1 minus sin x. So 1 by 1 minus sin x. Then differentiation of sin x is cos x. Here minus is having, therefore minus cos x. That is equal to 1 by 2. Then here 2 sin x cos x divided by, that is sin 2x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x divided by 1 plus sin square x. 1 plus sin square x. Next here minus so plus. So cos x divided by 1 minus sin x dy by dx. It is asked to find dy by dx alone. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.